Tom and Davely, welcome. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Tom, and I'm David. We're really happy you're here today. This podcast is for easy, real English. English you can use every day. Yes, not textbook English. Real English. Simple English. Today's topic is very useful. We are talking about the weather. We all talk about the weather. Every day, everywhere. At home, at work, with friends, with strangers. So if you learn weather English, you can start real conversations easily. Before we start, a small request. If you like this podcast, please like, subscribe, and follow us. It really helps our channel. All right, let's start learning together. Relax. Take a deep breath. You are doing great already. Main chat, weather vocabulary, and real conversations. Basic weather words. Let's begin with simple weather words. Listen first, then we repeat together. Sunny, cloudy, cloudy, rainy, windy, cold, hot. Good job. You're learning step by step. In English, we often say, it is. Listen to these. Sunny today. It is cloudy today. It is rainy today. It is windy today. Now, let's repeat slowly. It is sunny today. Great. Say it again. It is sunny today. Perfect. You sound clear. Now let's talk like real people. Imagine you meet a friend. You can say, the weather is nice today, or the weather is bad today. Simple, easy, useful. Let's try a short dialogue. Hey David, how's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Oh, nice. I like sunny weather. Me too. It makes me happy. See? Very easy English. Yes. You can do this too. Now let's talk about hot and cold. Listen carefully. It is hot today. It is cold today. Repeat with us. It is hot today. Good job. It is cold today. Nice. Clear and simple. Talking about rain. Rain is very common. Yes. So let's learn rain sentences. It is raining. It is raining today. I don't like rain. I like rain. Both are correct. Your opinion matters. Dialogue 2, rainy day. Tom, how's the weather? It's raining today. Oh, do you like rain? No, I don't like rain. That's okay. Everyone is different. Next words. Windy, cloudy. Repeat after us. It is windy today. It is cloudy today. Excellent. You're improving already. Now let's add feelings. This makes your English sound real. It is hot today. I feel tired. It is cold today. I feel cold. It is sunny today. I feel happy. Simple sentences, strong meaning. Let's practice again. Listen first. It is sunny today. Now you speak. Good job. Again. It is rainy today. Nice. You are doing really well. Weather in daily life. At home, you can say, oh, today I stay inside. It is hot today. I drink water. Very real English. Very useful English. Dialogue 3, morning talk. Good morning, Tom. Good morning, David. How's the weather today? It's cold and cloudy. Oh, I need a jacket. Yes, me too. People often ask, how's the weather? What's the weather like today? You can answer simply, it's sunny, it's cold. That's enough. You don't need long sentences. Let's pause for a moment. If you understand even a little, that's progress. Learning English takes time, and you are doing great. Recap and community question. Let's recap today's key phrases. Repeat sunny today. It is rainy today. It is hot today. It is cold today. How's the weather? Great job. Now a question for you. Tell us in the comments, how's the weather where you live today? Is it sunny, rainy, or cold? Write one simple sentence. We read every comment. Thank you for learning with us. You are not alone. Keep practicing. Talking about weather, daily actions. Tom, now let's go a little deeper. Still easy English. Still daily life. Weather changes what we do. So let's connect weather with actions. Listen first. It is raining today, so I stay at home. It is sunny today, so I go outside. Simple, cause and effect. Now you job. When it is sunny, let's talk about sunny weather. Repeat after us. It is sunny today. It is sunny today. I feel happy. I feel happy. I go for a walk. I go for a walk. Very natural English. Very real life. Dialogue for sunny day. Tom, how's the weather? It's sunny today. Nice. What do you do? I go for a walk. That sounds good. Now, rainy weather. Listen carefully. It is raining today. It is raining today. I stay at home. I stay at home. I drink tea. I drink tea. Very common sentences. You can use them today. Rainy. David, how's the weather? It's raining today. Oh, do you go outside? No, I stay at home. Same here. Now cold weather. Repeat with us. It is cold today. It is cold today. I wear a jacket. I drink hot tea. I drink hot tea. Good job. Dialogue 6. Cold morning, David. Good morning, Tom. It is cold today. Yes, I wear a jacket. Me too. When it is hot, now, hot weather. Easy sentences. It is hot today. It is hot today. I feel tired. I feel tired. I drink water. I drink water. Perfect. Hot day talk. Tom, how's the weather? It's hot today. How do you feel? I feel tired. Drink water. Yes, I do this. Let's not forget windy and cloudy. Repeat again. It is windy today. It is cloudy today. The sky is cloudy. The wind is strong. Very nice. Listen, speak, repeat, listen. It is sunny today, so I go outside. Now you speak. Excellent. Next one. It is raining today, so I stay at home. Very good. Expressing like dislikes. Now let's add feelings. I like sunny weather. I don't like rain. I like cold weather. I don't like hot weather. Your turn. Nice sentence. If you can say one sentence, that's real English. You don't need big words. You need clear words. And practice. Let's review together. How's the weather? It's sunny. It's rainy. It's cold. It's hot. Great job. Great job. Now tell us, in the comments, how's the weather today where you live? And what do you do today? 1 or 2 simple sentences. We are proud of you. Keep practicing. See you in the next part, talking about weather in the morning. Now let's talk about morning weather. This is very common English. In the morning, people ask about weather. Listen first. It is cold this morning. It is sunny this morning. Now you repeat. Good job. Your pronunciation is improving. 8. Morning weather talk. Good morning, Tom. Good morning. How's the weather this morning? It's cold and cloudy. Oh, I wear a jacket. Yes, me too. This morning, today, now. Let's learn time words. Very easy. This morning, today, right now. Listen to sentences. It is sunny today. It is cold this morning. It is raining right now. Repeat with us. Nice and clear, the sky. Now let's talk about the sky. Simple words. The sky is blue. The sky is cloudy. The sky is gray. Very natural English. 9. Looking at the sky. David, look at the sky. Yes, the sky is cloudy. I think it will rain. Maybe. I take an umbrella, talking about rain plans. When it rains, we plan. Listen, it is raining, so I take an umbrella. It is raining, so I stay inside. Your turn. Very good sentence. Very about feeling weather. Weather affects our body. Listen carefully. It is hot and I feel tired. It is cold and I feel cold. It is sunny and I feel happy. Repeat slowly. Excellent. Listen, speak, repeat. Listen. It is hot today, so I drink water. Now speak. Great job. Next one. It is cold today, so I wear a jacket. Nice. You are really learning. Let's practice questions. Repeat after us. How's the weather? How's the weather today? Is it cold today? Is it raining now? Very useful questions and short real talk. Tom, is it hot today? Yes, it is hot. Do you like hot weather? No, I don't. I understand. Using a little and very. Now small words, big help. A little, very. It is a little cold. It is very hot. Repeat. Perfect. Daily life examples. Listen to real examples. My quick breakfast is a banana. It is cold today, so I eat at home. It is sunny today, so I walk to work. Real English, real life. Encouragement break. Let's stop for a second. If you understand these sentences, you are doing great. English is not magic. It is practice, and you are practicing. Listen, how's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. Now you try. Connection with listeners. Now tell us something. Write in the comments. How's the weather right now? And how do you feel? One simple sentence is enough. We are happy to read it. Agar Channing. Keep listening. Keep repeating.